Hello everybody, welcome back to Buck Does It. We're getting started on this quarter panel here. Just did a rough cut, and I ordered a trunk drop down and a wheelhouse there. So you can see there's some screen doors stuck in here, and a lot of Bondo, and big lumps of Bondo there. This was all pretty thick, pretty heavy. There we go. We got to start. Ain't no turning back now. Now, Cruda's in the garage, prepping for that quarter panel right there. I tore the whole side apart again. Fender. Well, that fiberglass door didn't match up here very well. All right. So before I start cutting that quarter panel up to fit, I'm not going to use the whole thing. I'll probably cut it down here, and I don't know what I'm going to do in the back yet. I'll probably go right across here and then figure out what I'm going to do back here. But I got a steel door this summer at the Chrysler Nationals, so hopefully that'll help me line up my quarter panel here. So that's what I'm doing now, is get that steel door on here. Then I'll cut the top part of that quarter panel off and then screw it to the side here, and then make my decisions on the ends. I still got a outer wheelhouse coming in, and I got trunk drop down coming in. That should be here today sometime. So got to figure all that out too. My first day in the job here. We gonna get it though. All right, what I did here is I put a block there, lifted up high enough just to get a bolt. I cross threaded, but I got it in there to hold the door. And then what I was gonna do is lift the back up and latch it, and then we'll put the other bolts in here, and let's see how that goes. Well, that went a little too easy, huh? All right, now it won't fall off, but at least now you see what I'm dealing with here. I can bring the front up a little bit and work on it's sticking in too far. So we need to adjust all that stuff. All this. Yeah. That's what I want. No, so just that door can come out, because the top here is looking pretty good. Yeah, it still needs to come out a little bit. But that striker is probably set up for the fiberglass door. And this is why I did this. So at least I have some kind of reference to go off of, you know, because that's an original door. Not the best of shape, but it's a couple dents and stuff. And I brought the fender down, put it on best I can get there, but I think my lines are all pretty well lined up here. Come out really good back here as far as height, and then this line here looks really good. But my gap is bigger. Gap is bigger up here, is down there. But what I'm looking for, mainly where the quarter panel is going to come out too. So I'm happy. I'm going to leave it right where it's at. It opens well, I had it open, closed, and I just adjusted that front up a little bit more. So now I got to do the striker again because the striker's hitting. Alright, got the quarter cut down a little bit there, and just a couple screws holding it in. Looks like, I don't know if you can see it or not, but looks like I got to come up a little bit in the front here. Got some trimming to do back here and behind. So I'm going to draw this out, put some marks on here where this is at right now, and then I got to get in there with the spot weld to get all that out and get at it. Oh, looking pretty good though. I'm digging it. That's another day and another mess. I got some more garbage down in here to fix before I can put the panel on. But I got the inner fender well out, or wheelhouse. I have to do some trimming on that because you know, it's that aftermarket stuff. Progress is happening. It's all new to me. I never put a big piece on like that, and then two pieces together yet, because I had this in back this way too far at first. So now I have to put this in and put the cover on, or the skin, and see where I'm at. But I want to weld it in up here. It's pretty solid up in there. So left my screw holes here for now. They'll all get cut out later. But getting there. I want to scrape all this out too. There's piles of rubber in there yet. Get that outside and get it with the torch. And a patch to put in here, patch there. Yeah, well, here we go. I got the panels. I believe I got this one tacked in there, tack welded. I did a couple of patches there. Got this one screwed in. A couple screws down here and here. And I got one inside here. Let me see if I can get the light here. One in there. I got one up here, one there. I still have a hole to fix right there. But next up, I'm going to put the panel on here and do another test fit. I'm going to put the valance pan in the back here and get this whole corner straightened out next. So that's where I'm at. That was kind of tricky. I had to put some patches down in there too. Down in there I put some patches. I just remembered I need another patch. Right down in here. Before I put this panel on. So, but I've work there to do, and I have work here to do. Give you a quick drive-by. To be continued. I'm going to end this one here. So stick around, see what happens. It's been a little tricky here. A lot of finagling, and these aftermarket panels don't match up real easy. Got to do some tweaking. So anyway, remember to be good. Can't be good, be kind. See ya. Thanks for watching.